Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can erase objects or items from your photos and images in Microsoft Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so as you can see I'm on Designer Microsoft. Insert your image, and here in the image editor or photo editor, left click into the image and you will see this eraser tool at the top. Click into it. Here to the left you will see two options, select and brush. So if you choose select, you'll be given the opportunity to click into specific objects of your image or photo, and Microsoft Designer will outline the given object, and by left clicking into it you will be given the opportunity to select and to erase it here to the left. Wait for a brief moment. And now the object has been erased. Then there is the brush tool here to the left. You may use that one to apply a customized eraser. You apply the, adjust the brush size here, and then move your mouse here on the canvas to remove the objects you would like to get rid of. So I will go with these three objects here, click into erase. Wait for a brief moment again. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.